Red ants versus black ants. If you come across one ant, chances are that many others are nearby. Known for being social insects, ants live in colonies that can grow to thousands in number. There are many different species of ants, including red ants and black ants. Painful versus harmless. Red ants, including the red important southern fire ant, are known for inflicting burning bites and stings. Little black ants, although an unwelcome presence in homes, are harmless to humans. Nesting. Typically, red ants prefer ground nests situated under stones, in grass, or in soil surrounding shrubs and trees. Black ants likewise nest outside, but they also live in houses and buildings. Feeding habits. Fire ants eat just about anything but prefer a high-protein diet. In contrast, black ants enjoy sweets, including honeydew produced by insects, plant secretions and food droppings such as breadcrumbs, fruit juice and sugar. Origins. Found in the southeastern United States, the red imported fire ant hails from Brazil. The black ant is related to the pharaoh ant, which makes its home throughout the United States. Oddities. Air conditioners and traffic signal junction boxes are favorite haunts of the fire ant. Black ants can be found in diverse places such as underneath tree bark and in sprinkler heads.